This is chapter number 7. Our country, India, Hindustan, Bharat, our country. India is a very big country as area is concerned. We have vast geographical area, vast geographical expanse, that is length and breadth, and left to right or top to bottom. Now let me tell you first the direction, because we'll be talking about this. So these are the directions. This is south, this is north, north, south, and this is east, this is west. So whenever we talk about northeast, it will be here, northwest it is here, southeast is here, and southwest will be in this direction. So one by one we are going to see this. First thing, what is in north? In north we have, or to be precise, north and northeast. So we have Himalayas. Coming to Arabian Sea, where it is southwest or west. Now coming to east or southeast, it's Bay of Bengal, Bengal ki Khadi. And down south below that we have an ocean named after India, Indian Ocean, Hind Mahasagar, Indian Ocean, Hind Mahasagar. So this is a peninsula. Peninsula is what? When we have a portion of area, three side it is water, surrounded by water, 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 or sea, and one portion is land. So this Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and below we have Indian Ocean. So this part is called peninsula, Prayadweep, peninsula. Okay, three side water, peninsula. So we have this peninsula position. If I take the distance, or first let us take the area. The area is 3.8 million square kilometer. 3.28 million square kilometer. Million, 1 million is 10 lakh. 1 million is 10 lakh, right? So this area is in square kilometer, that is, it's a length by breadth kind of thing. At the topmost we have Jammu Kashmir. In the lowermost area we have Kanyakumari. Actually the lowest portion is Indira Point, Andaman Nicobar Island, but it is submerged in water because of tsunami. So we have Kanyakumari and this top to bottom Jammu Kashmir. So the distance, how much distance you cover? Now it's around 3,200. So if you just want to remember, let it be 3,000, but 3,200. But the precise is 3214. If you are preparing for exam, it will be 3214. 3200, if you can remember. If you don't remember 3,000, so 3,200 is the exact is 3214. Now from left to right, from Kutch, Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh on the northeast. What is the distance? What is the distance? It's 2,900. Just to remember 2,900. Just remember that it's you should, because after 1 week or 10 days you might not remember. So just keep 3,000 in your mind. But the exact distance, it's in book it is given 2,900. Let me tell you the exact one, 2,933. 2,900, remember it, and exact is 2,933. So if you are going for exam, 3,214 and 2,933. 3,214 from north to south, 2,933 from left to right. Okay? If you want to remember, 3,200 and 2,900. But to write in exam, 3,214 top to bottom, 2,933 left to right. Now, what we have a very good thing about our country, it's a speciality. You don't go to Switzerland or any other country. We have everything. We have everything. We have all the things. We have Marusthal, we have desert, we have snow, we have plateaus, we have coast, islands, we have vegetation, good vegetation, we have good rivers, big rivers, almost everything, you name it, and we have it. So whatever diversity you are talking about in terms of landforms, climate, vegetation, wildlife, also the language and culture. We have different traditions. We as one country, if you go to Tamil Nadu, people speak Tamil only. If you go to say Jammu Kashmir, they speak Kashmiri. But still, They are Indians. We are together in every endeavor. We have a single country and all diversity is our power. So we have, this portion which I'm showing is the central belt. We call it as a Hindi Bhashi area, Hindi speaking area. And just below Maharashtra, we have the South India, we call it. And on the far right, if you're seeing here, it's Northeast. What is the population? It's 2011 statistics has been given. I don't take it. Let me give you the exact now. This is the 1387. I can't have this number. I can't remember it. So it's better to learn it by 138 crores. 138 crores. You remember? Narendra Modi was saying 125 crore. Now he has to say 138 crore. 138 crore Bharatiya. The best thing is 1.38 billion. It's US, Canada, all these, they only talk in terms of billion. So 1.38 billion, if you want to remember in 138 crores, or if you want million, 1380 million. Remember, 1.38 billion, 138 crore, 1.38 billion, 2021 January. We are second populous country of the world. First is the China. China is way ahead of us in terms of Olympic medals, in terms of economy. China is way ahead, and in the population also, it's way ahead, right? So we have you and me cannot remember this number, so it's better 1.42 or 1.43 billion, 1.43 or 1.42 billion, and 143 or 142 crores, 143 or 142 crores. I hope you remember it? Okay. What is our location? What is the locational setting? So we'll take this diagram and we'll talk about those imaginary rekhain or lines with respect to world and what we have or we have devised ourselves. So first is this is 8 degree. We start from 8 degree, means at 0 degree equator is, if you go up 8 degree 4 minutes to be precise, our India will start. India starts from 8 degree 4 minutes, and we are in the northern hemisphere because we are above 0 degree. So 8 degree 4 minute, and we go up to which point? 37 degrees 6 minute latitude, the horizontal lines. So if you take a difference, it's around 30 degree, 29-30 degree it is. So the latitudinal stretch is around 30 degree. Now coming to left and right. So the prime meridian, that is the Greenwich prime meridian, is on the left. So we start from 68 degrees 7 minute, 68 degrees 7 minute, and we go up to 97 degree 25 minute, 97 degree 25 minute. So these are vertical lines, and these are called the longitude, deshantar. So if you take the difference, 68 degree 7 minutes and 97 degree 25 minutes, around 29-30 also. So there is one more Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree now. This is passing through India, 23, and almost in between it is passing through India. Now there is one more line. This line is called the Standard Meridian of India. It's called Prime Meridian of India. Indian Standard Time we look at here. Why it is? See, the sun is coming here. The rays comes first on the northern state, and then it comes to the Kutch. So it takes around 1 hour 45 minutes to 2 hours. 1 hour to, and how do you know that this is around 2 hours? See, I said the left and right stretch is 30 degree stretch. Now 1 degree is how much? For 1 degree there is a difference of 4 minutes. For 1 degree there is a difference of 4 minutes. So we have 30 degree, multiply this 30 by 4, and we get 120 minutes. 120 minutes is what? 60 plus 60. That is 2 hours. It's around 2 hours from left to right. It's around 145 to 2 hours. So to remember it's 2 hours, to remember precise is 1 hour 45 minutes. So if you have watch, if you are standing here or here, then the time will be different. If it is 9 here, it will be say 11:45 or 10:45. So the time 1:45 is 1:45 difference. Now what is the problem? To solve this issue, we have a line, we have arbitrarily taken a line 82 degree 30 minutes. 82 degree 30 minutes, which is our standard meridian. You can say prime meridian of India. Prime meridian of India, a line which is passing through UP, Uttar Pradesh, Mirzapur, 82 and half degree, right? And 82 degree half, it is in east. So all these people who are standing anywhere in the India, they will have exact time which is on this line. So this is our Indian Standard Time line, right? Why we do this? Why we have this stand IST? So this we have taken care. Okay. So the basic thing is we have our own IST line, left, right, top, bottom. It's 30 degree. Now it's very important to understand that your family is not that important as your neighborhood are. India, Pakistan, we are friends. India, Bangladesh, we are friends. India, Nepal, we are roti beti ka rishta. India, China, we have so much of trade. Economically, we are so much dependent. So these all are our friends. Okay. Now Pakistan, there's a long stretch. Pakistan is our younger kid, younger you can say brother, because Pakistan and Bangladesh were us. India was actually Pakistan and Bangladesh, and India were together. But because of some conflict and some politics, Pakistan went different way. Then Pakistan again divided into Pakistan and Bangladesh when Indira Gandhi was the prime minister. But still we all have the same culture. So Pakistan is one, Bangladesh is the second, and in some books it is written that the longest touching means the boundary we share with Bangladesh. But if you see, it's more you see in China. Okay, let it be. First is Pakistan, our neighboring country. Second is Afghanistan. It's around 106 kilometer we have border with Afghanistan. Bangladesh is there, and we have China. China is the best trading partner. We have all this Chinese food we are taking. They are our best friends. Then we have very good relationship we have. Nepal also, it's all free borders. Nepal, Bhutan is also, it's our kid. It's just we take care of them, and they also are, taking care of us. Then we have Burma. Myanmar, we don't have that much of, linkage with them. Only the northern eastern boundary we have. So let me tell you once again, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Now on the left hand side, you see Arabian Sea. Right hand side, you see Bay of Bengal. And we have two islands, Lakshadweep on the left, on the Arabian Sea. In Bay of Bengal, we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We have Kerala here. It's just near to Lakshadweep. So all these ships and all those transport goes from there. Andaman Nicobar Island is a very, very good place, very, very beautiful place. There was a point, Indira Point, which was the end point of India, but because of the tsunami in 2004, it has been submerged. In Andaman Nicobar, you will find the Tamilians, you will find Bengalis, you will find Malayalis, and because I stayed there for 8 years, I know it's like a Jannat. It's like a place to live. But just because it's so far off from the mainland, there are certain problems also. So we have taken care of the Padosis, neighbors. Now we have 28 states, 8 union territories. 28 states, 8 union territories. You say, oh, my book is saying something else. Okay, let me tell you. Actually, in 2020 and in 2019, our government has come, which is the BJP government, and they have certain agenda, they have some certain manifesto. So they changed the physical things. So what they did, this Dadra, Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu have combined. It was made on 26 January 2020. Dadra, Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu were combined. Now they are single union territory. And they did what? Jammu and Kashmir was a big state. Now they divided it into union territories. One is Ladakh, one is Jammu and Kashmir. So now this will be governed by the central government, not by the state government. So there will be no no state politics there. Only the state central will be taking care of that. So one is Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. It was just made combined 26 January, and this Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh was made on 31st October 2019. 31st October 2019. And Delhi, we have state government also in. So this is 28. If you see 28, 1 to 28, and then we have Union Territories 8. So let me tell you these states here. This is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. Punjab, Haryana are two different states, but they have a common capital, which is Chandigarh. And Chandigarh by itself is a union territory. By itself, it's a union territory. Chandigarh is a capital. Like Delhi is the capital of India. Chandigarh is a common capital for Punjab and Haryana. Rajasthan, in terms of area, is the biggest state. Please remember, Rajasthan, in terms of the area, Rajasthan is the biggest area. So the smallest state is Goa. And with respect to population, Uttar Pradesh, around 20 plus crore population is there. Around 21 crore population. Bihar is also having a good population. We have West Bengal, good population. Bangladesh is good population. Just because this area is the Indo-Gangetic plains. And because of these Yamuna, Ganga and all these rivers coming, these all land is quite fertile because they deposit alluvial soil. In Rajasthan, there are less people. Area is long, area is wide. But the people are less. Why? Because it's very hot, humid, dry, desert area. Now, if you come below Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh and Odisha, you call it as South India. We don't call it South India. We shouldn't. On right, we call it northern states. They are not northeastern or South Indian. They are our country. They all are Indian states. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, these are all advanced states. Kerala has, it macha rakha hai, means Kerala in education number 1, in health facilities number 1. Best state of India is Kerala. So we have two more neighbors. We need to talk about them. One is Maldives. You see Lakshadweep, it's near that. It's Maldives, and we have this Tamil Nadu, because people are quite linked here. Tamil Nadu and Mutaiya Muralidharan, the wife of Mutaiya Muralidharan, the spinner, the great spinner, the wife is from Tamil Nadu. So let me tell you, this is Sri Lanka, and then we have a Park Strait. There is a Park Strait, Jal Sandhi, Palkstrait, Park Strait, Jal Sandhi. So we are linked with this Jal Sandhi. This is Sri Lanka and Tamil Nadu. Maldives, I haven't showed it, but it is the location. I'm just pointing it out. So now Delhi is our capital. Delhi, New Delhi, NCR region. Okay, these are the Delhi is the main capital. Okay, actually it's New Delhi. So we have these in the border state. All the states are been divided with respect to languages. Tamil Nadu people speak Tamil. Rajasthan people speak Rajasthani like this. And these states are again divided into district for administration purpose. And then these districts are divided into wards like that. Coming to the physical division, if you see physical division, let us start from the top. Let me tell you, we have mountains, we have plateaus, we have plains, we have coast, we have water, we have desert, we have, every kind of wildlife, vegetation. So let us start from the top. The topmost is Great Himalaya or Himadri. Great Himalaya or Himadri. And this is the 7,000, 8,000 height of peaks are there. Our, Everest is here. So the topmost is Himalaya, Himadri. Second line of ranges are Himachal. The third range is Shivalik. Shivalik like Dehradun, etc. The valley, all the valleys are here, Shivalik. So topmost, second line and third line. And it stretches from Jammu Kashmir to northeastern state. And just below these three mountain ranges, We have plains. These are called northern plains. These are called northern plains. We have very good Nikshep alluvial deposits, because Ganga, Yamuna, all the rivers which are wide and which are lengthy, they pass here because they bring the mitti, the soil, and all the good things, minerals with them, and they deposit in this plain. So when this deposition is done, these mitti or soil is very fertile, and because of this fertility, people live here, they grow their crop, and that is how this place is overpopulous. There is water. If water brings it to, other water comes, it's tributary. If a water goes from a river, it's distributary. So we have good water here. We have good, because plains are there, we have good population. Now coming to the Western Ghats. No, this is not Western Ghats. Let me tell you about the northern Indian plain we have talked about. Coming to Great Indian Desert. So this is the Great Indian Desert. It's dry, hot and sandy stretch. I'm talking about the western part. Now coming to this middle portion. This is the Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau. See, this includes the Deccan Plateau because it's quite triangular in nature. So we are talking about this yellow one right now. Upper Plateau. Pradeepiya Pathar. It's almost triangular in shape, and the relief is quite uneven. Somewhere it is, it's undulated. This is the Aravalli range. This is the oldest range of the world. Then we have, in the down portion, we have Vindhyas and Satpura. Vindhya range, Vindhyachal, and Satpura ki Shreniya, Satpura ki Shrinkla. Satpura, Vindhya and Satpura. There are two rivers. We need to talk about them. Narmada, Tapi. Now these are two rivers which goes to Arabian Sea. These are main rivers which goes to Arabian Sea, because the below portion of this Peninsular Plateau is like this. So this is at higher elevation, left hand side, and right hand side it's lower elevation. So water goes from left to right. So most of the river, Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, they start from left and go to the right. That is, they go into Bay of Bengal. But the Narmada and Tapi, they go into Arabian Sea. Okay, remember this. Narmada and Tapi flow and drain into Arabian Sea. Now Western Ghats, this is also called as Sahyadri, this left part, Sahyadri. And then we have the Eastern Ghats. This is the Eastern Ghat. Left is Western Ghat, right is Eastern Ghat. The Western Ghat, if you see, it's quite continuous. The Eastern Ghats are quite uneven. They are broken. That is why we have good natural ports we find here, Bandargah. And this plateau, this whole plateau is very rich in the minerals, coal and iron ore, koila, loh ayask, coal and iron ore. And the west of the Western Ghats, and east of the Eastern Ghats, we have coastal plains. So we have this coastal area, that means coast means where sea and the land touches. So this left hand, right, coastal area. So the lowermost portion of the left hand side is called Malabar portion, and the right portion is called the Coromandel portion. So now the eastern coastal plain are broader, this one, but the left one, that is the western part, these are very narrower. Left is narrower, right is broader. Now I told you that there are maximum rivers which starts from the left and drain into Bay of Bengal. Let me show you. Mahanadi go to Bay of Bengal, Godavari go to Bay of Bengal, Kaveri, Krishna all go to Bay of Bengal, and they form a very good delta. Delta is the deposition of the soil and other things where they meet the sea, Bay of Bengal. So these are very fertile and good place for cultivation. So we have Indo-Gangetic plains, the Ganga, Brahmaputra, they all mix in the Bangladesh, and finally they give rise to the biggest world delta, which is called as the Sundarbans. Now we have, as I said, we have this on the Arabian Sea side, we have Lakshadweep. On the Bay of Bengal side, we have Andaman Nicobar Island. And the Lakshadweep is a coral island. What is the coral? Coral islands are nothing but, there are marine animals called polyps. When they die, they have skeletons. These skeletons become hard. They combine. And when they combine, they form what? They form island. They form a coral island. When they come up, that part of the area is called the island, coral island. So we have Andaman Nicobar, there is a proper coral island, near Marine Drive. So this is Andaman Nicobar, left is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is a coral island. Andaman Nicobar, more than 300 islands are there. Most of the islands are not habitated, means no habitation is there. People don't live there. And as I said, the last portion was Indira Point, the last portion of India. But because of the tsunami, it just vanished. 2004, we have a very, very tragic tsunami. A lot of people died. All the houses were shattered. So how does this happen? These plates inside the water, because it's kind of an earthquake inside the water. So when these earthquake happens inside the water above it, they gets that energy. And that energy comes to because the wave flows and it comes to the last. And the coastal areas are deeply affected by the tsunami activity. These are the tsunami waves. You can see nobody can counter, nobody can come in front of this kind of thing. So we need to take care of ourselves. And this is all about India. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.